Welcome back to our channel. This week we're staying at Hunter's Moon Caravan Park, which is a caravan and motorhome club site, which is based in Wareham, Dorset. So tonight, what we've got planned is going out to the Old Granary, which is on Wareham Quay, for something to eat. And then tomorrow, we're going to take the train, the steam train, yeah, it is actual steam train, to Swanage. It's the same type of train you get from the Harry Potter films. So that's going to be cool. We'll take you around Swanage, hopefully go up to the pier, have a look on the pier, and hopefully we'll enjoy ourselves. Right, let's get going and get on with the weekend. We're going to give you a site tour of Hunter's Moon Caravan site. So follow us around and we'll give you some facts about the place and some information to help you out when you stay here. Okay, right, let's go. Right, so this is the entrance when you drive in. So first of all, you come to the left here. There's a couple of lanes where you can just park up. And then the reception is on the left. So we'll take you in there and show you quickly what the reception's like. Also got a little shop. Not much in there, but we'll show you anyhow. So, right, this is the little shop here. So I've got a few bits and pieces that you might need. And there's some books that you can take. I think they're 50p or a pound.
50p to exchange a pound by.
Yeah. And there's some fresh bread as well. Okay. So just in on the right here, before we go any further, there is a authentic Thai food. Now we're here Saturday night, and they apparently come here every Saturday. But on Wednesday, I'll just turn this around. On Wednesday they have a fish and chip van, I should say, not shop. And that's the menu, if you can see that, for Wednesdays. Okay, right, just on the other side of the entrance, what's this over here, Rach?
It's just a cute little picnic area, really. It's really lovely, but it's also, which I've never seen on any other site, it's got a pick your own garden. So it looks like it's got some herbs, but also some fruits and veg and bits that you can actually pick your own whilst you're here for free.
Yeah, you can pick it. That looks like strawberry plants.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can pick your own
fruit trees.
But you wouldn't want to come in here at night because look at this. That would scare you, wouldn't it, at night? So stay away at night. They also have a nice picnic table as well, so you can sit down if you want to. Okay, so that's the entrance. So just walking up to the barriers. We've got barriers here, so you can't just go in and out, or anybody can go in and out, so it's quite secure.
So once you arrive here, you can pick your own pitch. You come back in, tell them what pitch number, and then they give you a fob that you swipe, which will ping you in and out of the gate.
I think that's like most caravan and motorhome club sites, to be truthful. You just go and pick your own pitch, which is quite nice, because you can then always pick the pitch that you like. So apparently no kite flying. That's what it says on there. And they've got a nice biodiversity area. That's what it says.
Yeah,
helping nature to flourish.
It's a no-mow area, so they just keep this all growing with wildflowers, which is really pretty.
Yeah, it's really nice. Okay, instead of going through the gates, what we're going to do first is go left, and we're going to take you around to where the tents can be pitched. Right, going on through here, you can drive round. This section here on the left is grass pitches for caravans and motorhomes. the same as on our right here. So they've got grass pitches as well, all with 16 amp electricity. There's also on the left here, this is the assembly point. Not getting confused with an assembly you have in school, but it says assembly point on the map. I think it's for fire, to be truthful. Right, up here, on the left here, there is the dog walking area. This looks lovely actually. So you can let your dogs off on the lead, from the lead, and you've got all this this field. Again, don't fly any kites, that's what it says. And there's a dog bin just there. Right, swinging around. Now this little field here is for parking if you bring a tent. So, like Rachel said, they take tents here, which is quite unusual, I think. Let me know in the comments if I am wrong. To take tents at a Caravan and Motorhome club site. So, you park there, and when you walk through here, and just around the corner, you've got lots of little bays for tents. Now these go all the way up. I think there's 10. I think, is that right, Rach?
1, 2, 3, 11.
11 sites, 11 pitches for tents, and they're quite a nice size as well. And it's really nice here. Now, we're going to carry on walking up here. Right, if you carry on up, there's still some tent pitches just up there. I think another 5 or so. But on the left here, there's a big field. And in the centre is a basketball hoop just there. It's quite a big field actually. I'm guessing this is where the kids can come and play. Nice big area. Right. Okay, so this is at the top of the grass pitches, just here. And at the very top here is a play area for the kids. So let's go and have a look. So this is the play area for the kids. It looks quite new and modern actually. Little bench there to sit down while the little ones have a play, some swings. There's a little curly whirly slide there. A seesaw. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, follow us on. Let's go and show you some more. So on the left here is another service point with wastewater and drinking water. So on the left here is another toilet block. This is at the top of the site. And that's where we are at the moment, obviously, because that's where the toilets are. So they have a chemical waste point just there on the left, and then the toilets and showers. So just for information, that even though they're hard standing with gravel, they're not all 100% even. We've had to use our lock and what's it called?
Lock and level.
Lock and level to get our caravan even. Right, so we're now at the motorhome service point, which is actually at the top of the site, next to the toilet blocks and the showers. And again, there's some drinking water, waste, all ready for your motorhome. Okay. let's carry on. Right, so on the left here is the other toilet and shower block, and they have a dishwashing area. You can go in there. At least it's all under cover and there's a door so it keeps you dry. And then on the left down here, again there's a Elson point to empty your toilet, and drinking water and wastewater just on the left there. And if you're really small, you can use that door to get into the showers. They also have an information hut. So, same as most caravan and motorhome club sites. Information to do with places to visit and see. They have some menus as well for takeaways or deliveries, if you want to get a delivery for a takeaway.
They've also got up here a sky map so you can see what the star constellations are above here, because the night sky here is absolutely stunning.
I think that's because this is a place called Hunter's Moon.
Yep.
And then you can hunt for some wildlife as well.
What they do is they ask you, if you see something, to record what time and where you saw it on their chart so they can keep an idea of what wildlife's around on the park.
Yeah, that's really cool. I love wildlife. Okay, so you can probably see in the distance there, that is the reception building. So that's where we started. So we have gone in a big loop. The only bit that we've not taken you yet is, we've got to go back on ourselves, is up here and to the right. And that's where we're pitched. Which I can show you that in a minute.
What's great about this park is there's some slightly more busier areas or some really little quiet nooks you can go off to, so it kind of appeals and has a bit for everybody. It's really lovely.
Now where we're pitched, we got told there's I think there's a dog kennels, but anyhow there's lots of dogs the other side of the hedge. Now in all fairness, I've not really heard much at all. I can hear a dog barking a little bit in the background, but don't let that put you off because it's perfectly okay. Okay, so that's where we're pitched. And then you've got in front of us more hard standing just up there. And the last little bit is just around the corner here. And that's it. This pitch here is really nice. I nearly took that pitch when we turned up. Well, thanks for following us around. Hopefully we've given you some information that's useful. If not, I'm sorry. But hopefully that will help you out if you ever come here. We're at the Old Granary, which is at Wareham Quay in Wareham, of course, because that's where Wareham Quay is. It's about 5 minutes drive from the caravan park, Hunter's Moon, and we're going to have a good night because it is quite a nice restaurant in here, and they've got some nice things on the menu, especially things that we like. So we're looking forward to this, aren't we?
Going to have a bit of a struggle to choose what I want to eat, I think.
Yeah, it's going to be a good night.
Find the silver lining.
Right, we're going to start off the evening with a Moretti. My wife's ordered me a Moretti. Oh, cheers, babe. Let's do a good night.
Cries, you have it. The world goes by, and by the time it does, you miss it. You didn't see it, flew by. 'Cause time's not waiting for me or you.
Okay, well we've had our meal tonight in the Old Granary, and would we recommend it? No, definitely not. It wasn't good. I had beer battered fish and chips, and the batter was soft, and the fish tastes overly fishy, which I never like. How was yours?
Mine was a bit disappointing as well. So I had a double cheeseburger with skin on fries. The description sounded absolutely delicious. But the burger tasted like it could have been a frozen burger. It was really quite gristly, and the skin on fries, the top sort of 4 or 5 were lovely and crispy, and all the others were cold and tasted undercooked.
So I would not recommend coming here. If you do come here, find somewhere else. Right, that's an honest review.